Orion AI glasses, developed by Meta, are advanced augmented reality (AR) glasses designed to blend the physical and digital worlds seamlessly. These glasses feature holographic displays that allow users to interact with 2D and 3D content overlaid on their real-world environment. With built-in sensors for spatial mapping, Orion glasses offer immersive experiences like hands-free multitasking, AI-driven visual assistance, and real-time collaboration. The glasses incorporate AI to understand and anticipate your needs, allowing for interactions through voice commands, hand gestures, and even neural interfaces. For example, you can perform tasks like video calling, managing digital calendars, and accessing recipes based on the contents of your refrigerator, all without pulling out a smartphone. The glasses also have a wide 70-degree field of view and advanced eye tracking capabilities, aiming to be lightweight and suitable for all-day use, although further refinement is needed before they become commercially available. Currently, Orion is still a prototype and not yet consumer-ready, but it signals Meta's long-term vision for AR glasses that could one day replace smartphones as the primary interface for digital interactions.